doTERRA will never skimp on quality of their essential oils, and this is especially true for doTERRA's Peppermint Essential Oil. Find out why. doTERRA's Peppermint Essential Oil is known for all things cooling. This is one of my very favorite essential oils because it is so versatile, it can do so much. A problem with the essential oil industry is that a leading chemist said that 85% of the oils on the market today are adulterated, meaning they're fake. And often with peppermint, there are fillers, substances, and contaminants that weaken the purity and the power of the oil. You can actually add synthetics to get that sweet peppermint smell. At doTERRA, that will never meet their certified pure therapeutic grade standards. Purity is too important to them. That's why they are strict about where they get this oil from and have relationships with the grower's protocol, including a strict series of tests that ensure the essential oils they sell are free from fillers, substances, or impurities. What sets doTERRA Peppermint apart in quality is its high level of menthol content. Now, menthol is a monoterpene backbone with an alcohol function group. Menthol contains energizing properties that contribute to feeling energized. Menthol is known to soothe and smooth muscles that line the colons. This oil also helps promote respiratory function and clear breathing. It promotes digestive when taken internally. It repels bugs naturally. It cools the body, soothes the muscles, and relieves head tension. If you want to find out my favorite ways to use this essential oil at home, make sure to check out my video.